Hello guys, today we will explain how to get back your lost Snapchat streak. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Snapchat app. After it open, simply tap on your profile icon which is at the left top. Now tap on the setting icon which is at the right top. Scroll it down and tap on the option I need help. From here, tap on the option contact us. Now tap on the fourth option I lost my Snap streak. Scroll it down and tap on the second number I am having trouble. Now again scroll it down and tap on the option yes. Now from here scroll it down and fill this form, like tap on this one and tap on the second option. Enter your username here. Now scroll it down and write here your email address which you are using in your Snapchat. After write, you can also add your mobile phone number, but it's optional, so that's why I'm not writing my mobile phone number. So here, date of attempted snap streak restoration. So you need to write the date in which you try to restore your Snapchat streak. Like I tried yesterday, so that's why I'm writing the yesterday date. But it's also optional. If you want to skip this one, you can also do this. But I'm writing. Now write your friend username. It's also optional, but you need to fill this one. Means the name of the friend to which you chat and send snaps and you lost that snap streaks. Like I'm writing this one. Now the length of the snap streak means your snap streak score was 100, 200 and 300. So like mine was 100. Now after writing, write the description like I'm writing. So as you see in description, I write suddenly because I tried to get back my lost snap streak yesterday. That's why I write the date yesterday. So after writing the description, tap on the option submit. Your report has been submitted successfully. Now the Snapchat will contact with you through your Gmail and will give you back your lost Snapchat snap streak. So by this way, you can recover your snap streak. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please don't forget like and subscribe to our channel.